definitely, there is no doubt that people are against the Congress, against their values, for what these defectors have done. I was surprised. It took me by surprise that this thing can still happen, because the Congress as a party is one of the oldest party. It is 137 years old. It has given Goa almost everything, special status, opinion polls, everything. People are with the Congress. MLA atle, MLA hoitle. I don't think being an MLA or being in power is a permanent thing. The mantra of the BJP is divide and rule. They sold a narrative. And which was to the people that, see, we didn't get a clear mandate. The answer to this or the defections or whatever is the people have to give a clear mandate. The BJP was successful in dividing the votes. But in Salsette, today I am the only Salsette MLA. Today currently out of 8.
Yeah.
But these guys have taken a VRS. Current MLAs from Salsette who have gone, according to me, have taken a VRS. It is very difficult for them to get elected again. And the people...
You are saying even Digambar Kamath would not get elected in Margao. That's a big statement, Yuri.
See, I am saying very clearly that the people of Salsette and South Goa will teach these leaders a lesson. I am not specifically taking any name. That is why Ami kit koruna. See, you agree that the Congress is the principal opposition party. There is no doubt about it. We've got 24% of vote share. How else can you have a medium to discuss that? So, definitely we have to work together. We have to work together, all the opposition political parties, so that BJP is shown the door. But will it happen is $1 million question.
Yeah.
Congress party will definitely bounce back. And it is not something MLA Gelmo party ka baz hai na, the ideology doesn't die. Definitely we will bounce back and we will come back.